Yo, welcome back to the channel, guys. This is Crypto Bullseye bringing you the new playlist edition next week in crypto. And it's more important now more than ever. We're going to look at the markets and analyze what we need to happen to let us know whether it's just a healthy correction, a nice little pullback in the markets, or whether the bears are regaining momentum. So we're going to look at the Bitcoin chart. We're going to look at the DXY, the USDT dominance. We're going to look at the Bitcoin dominance. And of course, what do we need for the alts to rally? The total 3 breakout. So we're going to talk about the total 3 breakout. Stay tuned right to the end. Let's get into the video, guys. Right, okay, let's run through the markets together. What do we need to happen? So we've had bears regain some kind of momentum here. We've dropped this strong support level here at 28,369. We wanted this to act as support anyway. It's not a strong support level. We wanted it to act as support. It was a previous resistance level, which held resistance for about 3 weeks here. So it held resistance for about 3 weeks, broke through. We wanted it to act as support. It didn't act as support. The bears have regained some kind of control here. We're coming back down to test the 50 daily moving average, and it looks like this is going to act as resistance going forward. Does it mean that we're going to have a bear rally for the next few months? Not necessarily, but potentially also. So if we get an equal measure move, come back down here, test the 50-day moving average, test this previous level, which acted as resistance for a strong amount of time, 3 weeks, 28,232, act as resistance, and come back down and test this strong support level. Why is this important? That we get an equal measured move back down to this support level. This support level was our 276-day major resistance. 276 days in a range Bitcoin traded. It ultimately broke through, and we do not want to fall back into this range. If we fall back into this range, then it's going to be sideways action for some time going forward. So that's what we're looking for on Bitcoin. How can we look for additional confluence that this is going to happen? Look at the Bitcoin dominance, because we know that we talked about this upper level. There's lots of people been talking about this upper level. It's held for such a long period of time, and it's acted as resistance for such a long period of time. If this level breaks, what that means is there's a strong possibility that there'll be a higher downside move for Bitcoin. If this breaks, acts as support, and moves to the upside, historic data tells you that Bitcoin is going to eat away at the crypto market cap, increase in dominance, and take away from the altcoins. So that's what we're looking for on the dominance. The dollar, the DXY, how strong is the dollar? The dollar's still looking weak, so that's good. It's at a strong support level, and we've held this support level now for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and nearly 6 times. So we've held this support level for nearly 6 times. If it breaks below and this support becomes resistance, then we're looking to levels of 96, which it hasn't been for some time. So that would be even more positive for crypto. If we drop this support level and it went below that, which it's showing us at the moment that it's not likely. We've held it for so many times, and it's looking like the DXY is going to get another move to the upside, another leg to the upside, but we can monitor that too. So USDT dominance, the dominance in crypto, the stablecoin USDT, that has moved to the upside. We were talking about this last week. Is it going to break below, act as resistance, good for crypto, or is it going to come back, test the 200 moving average, a pullback for crypto? That's exactly what we got, the pullback for crypto. So if this acts as resistance over the next few days and we get a pullback back to these levels here, then there's a high possibility that crypto and the alts are going to rally for another week or so. So the total 3, we talked about the total 3. We haven't had this head and shoulders breakout yet. We had a rejection, a strong rejection last week at the neckline. This neckline here, if we broke here, tested the support, alt season. Still hasn't happened yet. All eyes on alt season. So just a quick rundown of the markets, guys. It's important that we have these and take a look at what we think needs to happen next week in crypto. It's all about monitoring it. So if you did like it, don't forget, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bells, share it with your friends, and don't forget to like. Take care of yourselves. Goodbye from me.